Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hot tub that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lifesmart Rock Solid Simplicity Hot Tub Spa. This spa is an awesome deal for your money. It works perfectly with its 12 jets and a powerful pump. The temperature of 100 feels warm and nice. Just fill water and you will be good to jump in. You will find the hot tub to provide ample space for 4 people. The customer service is great too in case you get into a situation of replacing any parts. Just remember that you cannot achieve a temperature higher than 100 degrees. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hudson Bay Spas Hot Tub. For the price quoted, this spa is a good deal. There are features like the lights and the powerful jets that make it more attractive to buy. The safety cover is sturdy and lightweight and does its job well. You can set the temperature to anything you need and keep adjusting, and the machine responds to changes well. The unit can accommodate 4 adults just fine, though 2 will be an ideal choice. However, 4 kids can easily fit in and enjoy a hot bath. Overall, it works quite impressively, but keep in mind that installation requires some effort, as the instruction manual does not help much in this regard. At number 3, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 20 Jet Arbor Hot Tub. The tub is quite sturdy yet lightweight and easy to carry. Its jets are just wonderful and the whole unit gives a lot of pleasure and warmth. It is better than many similar options because of its 20 jets. The look and feel are good with the contour design, especially on the inside of the tub. There are deeper as well as shallower seats that cater to persons of every height and keep them comfortable all the time. The temperature is maintained for quite long even after you turn off the heater. The lid helps in keeping the water warm, though it's a little pain to close and open it because of the weight. At number 2, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 14 Jet Newport Hot Tub. This is an ideal spa for a couple. The jets are quite good and powerful, must say. It is easy to set up and requires literally no maintenance. The temperature is maintained quite well for some time, even when it is turned off. You can adjust the settings to set timers as per the instructions given in the manual, which are detailed and easy to understand. The bottom is quite sturdy and solid. The only issue you may experience is that the lid is not of the highest quality, as it finds it difficult to maintain the warmth. For its price, you can certainly ignore this issue. And finally at number 1, we have the Hudson Bay Spa XP34. If you're looking for a spa for 6 family member, try this one from Hudson Bay. Interestingly, the spa is quite comfortable for 4 huge-sized people as well. Nice, comfortable seating and sturdy construction are other added benefits. It looks great and is affordable as well. The spa operates without any noise. The jets ensure therapeutic benefits and lift your mood. It's just perfect for relaxation. The pump is powerful and so are the jets. You can get an additional dust cover at a nominal price. The customer service is good too, and if you receive the package with even minor missing things, like LED lights or scratches, because of delivery, they happily give you a new one in no time. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.